Ladies and gentlemen, it has been a minute for this one. Just gonna grab a little sip of coffee here before I get started. Really excited to get going here, and I have no idea what character race I should go with. Pretty sure I've always done Imperial, done Nord, I've done Orc, I've done Redguard. I think I've done Wood Elf. Never Argonian. I've done Breton. I've done Dark Elf, but on Skyrim. Don't think I've done High Elf, and then we're back to Imperial. So yeah, I might just go Breton. Always like using spells, and you know they're good enough at ranged and melee attacks. So holy moly, it's been a minute. Alright, well, looks pretty basic, but basic is good, so I really don't need to change much. I'm going to change the nose. The bridge. Alright, bring that down a little bit. Nostril to nostril, short, long. Where's the tip? Move down just a touch. Nose flat or pointed, a little more flat. Okay, that's good. Yeah, that's good. I'll change the mouth a little bit now. Hooray. Did a bit of rambling there for another 6 minutes, so I can't wait to get to the lockpicking. So you'll notice when you move the left stick up, the tumbler will go up at different speeds. It'll either like zoom to the top like super quick and then fall back down, or the tumbler will go up slowly. When the tumbler goes up the slowest, that is when you have the most time to lock it into place with the A button. So, if the lockpicking mechanics in the remastered Oblivion are completely the same, it should work the exact same way. Now, what else should we change? Actually, his nose is kind of wide, isn't it? Shallow, deep, short, long, down, out, flat, pointed, small, large, wide, thin. Oopsie. That's a little better. Green, red. Maybe we want to add some more blue to it. Ooh, that looks nice. There we go. The color is now custom. Return. Eyes brown. Yes. Age. I want to be younger. A strapping young lad. Just about 21. Ah, there's the complexion. Complexion. Yes, that is nice. The eyes kind of do a funky thing when you're adjusting this bar. That's funny. Anyways, we are done. Yes, enter a name. Where's the name? Ah, up the top. Up the top. Yes, up at the top. Oh, don't you love seeing that old school Xbox 360 keyboard? That's amazing. That's amazing. I love it. What should our name be? Maybe just Sam something? Sam Weiss? Sam Weiss? Just Weiss as a last name? I know what you're thinking, obviously. But, you know, it kind of works. Oh, sorry. W-E-I-S-E. It kind of works. I like it. It's good for now. Don't want it to take too long. Alright. Yeah, let's go. So now we are in the jail cell. I hope you guys are okay with me skipping all the tutorials, as I remember this game for the most part. Sorry, I did not mean to grab that. I just thought I could pick it up with my hand. So Also, I got other stuff. Can we take those off now? Yeah, take the wrist irons off. No, that's not the button. That's an arc thing. I'm trying to drop it. That's not how that works. X. There we go. Don't want the wrist irons. I will keep everything else. Tab? Tab? Oh no, it's the D-pad or the left stick. Again, it's been a minute, man. Man, woman, whomever.
You're a Breton. The masters of Magica, right?
Crouchy is toggle.
Nothing but a bunch of stuck-up snobs.
I know, right?
Cheap parlor tricks.
And then
Go ahead.
cheap
Try
parlor
your
tricks.
Magica in here. Let's see you make those bars disappear. No. What's the matter?
No.
Not so
What's the
powerful
matter?
now, are you, Breton? You're not leaving this prison till they throw your body in the lake. You hear that? The guards are coming. For you.
The gods are coming. You there! Step away from the gate!
I know it.
My job right now is to...
Hey, there's Patrick Stewart. There he
What's
is.
this prisoner doing here? This cell is supposed to be off limits.
Usual mix-up with the watch.
Never mind. Get that gate open. Stand back, prisoner. We won't hesitate to kill you if you get in our way.
Oh, sorry, my bad.
Prisoner, stand aside. Over by the window.
Over
Stay
by
out
the
of the
window.
way and you won't get hurt.
Sir, yes, sir.
No sign of a stay put,
Good.
prisoner.
Let's go. We're not out of this yet.
You there.
I've seen
I've seen you. Come
Let me see your
closer.
face. You are the one from my dreams. And the stars were right. This is the day. Gods give me strength.
Gods give me strength. Sorry, I just had to take a second there to give the screen a little clean with the camera lens. I think that actually made a difference. Anyway. What's going on here, good sir?
Assassins attacked my sons, and I am next.
Oh no.
My blades are leading me out of the city along a secret escape route. By chance, the entrance to that escape route leads through your cell.
Oh? Who are you?
I am your emperor, Uriel Septim. By the grace of the gods, I serve Tamriel as her ruler. You are a citizen of Tamriel, and you too shall serve her in your own way.
Why am I in jail?
Perhaps the gods have placed you here so that we may meet. As for what you have done, it does not matter.
It does not
That
matter.
is not what you will be remembered for.
So what will I be remembered for?
You will find your own path. Take care. There will be blood and death before the end.
Please.
Sounds scary. Good Lord above, look at that.
Better not close this one. There's no way to open it from the other side.
Do I, like, go with you guys, or? Sorry, what? Oh, stay out of your way. Yeah, I'm totally coming. Ooh. Darkness. Imprisoning me. All that I see. Little scamps and mud crabs. Sorry.
Stand aside, prisoner.
We won't hesitate to kill you if you get in our way. But I'm just a lonely Breton pilgrim. I am sorry. Do I have a weapon yet? Just my fists?
Protect yourself.
I know.
Down.
Hey, get back here. Ha, I helped you. Can I have a sword now?
Were you all right, sire? We're clear.
That was a hell of a jump, man. That was great.
She's dead. Sorry,
Can you teach me how to do that? Working on the athletics. Oh yeah, the fatigue thing. Sorry, I hope you don't. Did I mention that already? I don't know if I did. I don't remember.
Don't worry, sire. We will get
Sorry if I skip all the
They
tutorials,
won't
but
be the first to
I'm sure
underestimate
98%
the
of you have all
blades.
played this.
I'll take point. Let's move. You stay here, prisoner.
Stay
Don't
here?
try to follow me.
That's not a good idea, man. I'm gonna come right up TV. Seriously? Yes. Ha! What the hell? Would you look at that? He tried to jump at me, and I was just like, no, that's not nice. You don't do that. Boom. Punched him right in the chin. Captain Renault. Yeah, where was he? Is he dead already through this door? No. He was back here. Oh, that's right. Oh, that's so sad. Let's see the assassins. There we go. Getting some stuff. Oh man, has it been a long time? You have your journal, that said? Yeah, I know. Just checking the other guys. So that does 1 extra damage. 18 and 10 pounds. Okay, I have 200. I'll be fine for a little while. We can do the hotkey thing, that's right. Oh, it's right, it's a wheel. My god. Oh, it's been so long. It's been so long. So long since I've been home. Hooah! Excuse me? Are there bad things in here? Can I equip the... Still using the tabs. Or the bumpers. It's going to take a while. You can't, like, equip the sword. Oh my god, we can do the torch at the same time. I didn't even think any dual wielding ever existed in this game, but there you go. Just can't dual wield spells or weapons. That's kind of cheap, wasn't it, Bethesda? But, you know. And that is the end of the afternoon coffee. So, I think I should probably cut off the video here. I don't know how long I'm going to be... Ooh. Oh yeah, sorry. The gold is 4, the damage is 1. We can just leave that there. Yeah. More rat boys. You're about to get your head chopped off, bro. Don't even come close. Is there one over here too? I don't think so. I think there's another one behind the well. Or over here. No. Goblin, no. Don't tell me that skeever just killed the goblin. Or was that goblin just dead the whole time? Ooh. There's the lockpicks. Hey, can I go back and pick that lock? Is that a pickable lock? No, of course not. Give me your meat. And whack. Whack. Oh, wasn't there the bow here? You could shoot at the... Yeah. Yeah, there's the shield. Okay, there's the chest thing. Haha, I'm gonna make you wait. Just before I cut off the video here, you can see what I'm talking about with the tumblers. So, I might not even... Yeah, we're gonna snag that. I might not even need to really, like, post another video. Like, at least not right away. Yeah, I think it goes. More lockpicks, hooray. Probably won't need to post a video, at least not right away. But I will, however, post more things if I get any sort of positive feedback whatsoever. Because honestly, I would love to be able to continue doing this. Oh, do we need to equip the arrows too? Yeah, of course, because I'm dumb. It's fine. It's fine. It's a new thing. As long as you have arrows in your inventory, you just shoot them in arc, right? No, that was... Oh my goodness. The game was reacting badly to my trigger presses there. Or maybe rather, I was. Hoo-yah! Take that, bucket. So, yeah, let's get to the lockpicking thing, and then I can finally cut off the video here. Because I can get out of it, I just need to do it. Because this is what I was here to explain. So, first attempt, first time, 8 picks. Picks very easy, so it's only one tumbler, right? Watch the tumbler. That was the slowest that it ever moves. Now, I don't know if because it's probably the easiest and there's only one tumbler, it's probably going to move